Hello friends, now we'll start the last exercise 5.4. In this exercise, we'll see the general form of the line. The general form of the line is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now ax plus by is equals to 0. Therefore, by is equals to minus ax minus c. Therefore, y is equals to, divide on both sides by b, then you will get y is equals to minus a upon b into x minus c upon b. Therefore, the slope of the line is minus a upon b. It is of the form y is equals to mx plus c. Therefore, the coefficient of x is called the slope of the line. Now next, and minus c upon b is called the y-intercept of that line. To find x and y-intercept, for the x and intercept, put y is equals to 0. Therefore, ax plus b into 0 plus c is equals to 0. Therefore, ax is equals to minus c. Therefore, x is equals to minus c upon a. Next, to find y-intercept, put x is equals to 0. ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Therefore, here we substitute x is equals to 0. Therefore, by plus c is equals to 0, and that's why y is equals to minus c upon b. This is the y-intercept. Next, point of intersection of the lines. The coordinates of the points of intersection of two intersecting lines can be obtained by solving their equations simultaneously. Distance of the origin from a line, that is, to find out the distance of the origin from the given line, here we will have 0, 0 is the point, p is the distance from the origin of the line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. P is equals to in mod of a into, that is, x and y are replaced by this 0 and 0. That is, p is equals to in mod of a into 0 plus b into 0 plus c upon in under root of a square plus b square. And that's why p is equals to in mod of c upon in under root of a square plus b square. Distance of a point px1 y1 from the line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now in this case, you have to remember only the formula. That is, here ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Replace this x and y by x1 y1. And that's why you will get ax1 plus by1 plus c upon in under root of a square plus b square. Therefore, distance between two parallel lines. Ax plus by plus c1 is equals to 0, and the second line is ax plus by plus c2 is equals to 0. We have the two parallel lines. The meaning of B is that is ax plus by, both are the same for the given lines. Now see this here. P is equals to, that is in mod of c1 minus c2 upon in under root of a square plus b square. Therefore, exercise 5.4. Now we'll see. Find the slope, x-intercept and y-intercept. Now in this case, I had solved all the examples in another way. Now see this. For each of the following lines, a 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. To find the slope, we write the equation in the standard form. That is y is equals to mx plus c. Therefore, 3y is equals to minus 2x plus 6. Divide on both sides by 3. Then you will get, that is y is equals to minus 2 upon 3x plus 6 upon 3, and that is equals to minus 2 upon 3x plus 2. Therefore, the slope of the line is minus 2 upon 3. And y-intercept is 2. Now, we want to find out x-intercept. To find out the x-intercept, put y is equals to 0. And we will get the x-intercept. Therefore, we solve this. We have substituted y is equals to 0. That is minus 2 upon 3x plus 2. And if we simplify, you will get the answer. That is x is equals to 6 upon 2. And that is equals to 3. Therefore, the x-intercept is equals to 3. B. 3x minus y minus 9 is equals to 0. Again, write the equation in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Now see this. Y is equals to 3x minus 9. In this case, the slope of the line, it is of the form. Slope of the line is 3 and y-intercept is minus 9. And therefore, to find x-intercept, put y is equals to 0. Therefore, you will get x is equals to 9 upon 3, and that is equals to 3. X-intercept is 3. X plus 2y is equals to 0. Therefore, 2y minus x, and therefore y is equals to minus 1 upon 2x, and that is y is equals to mx plus c. In this case, the given line passes through the origin and slope is minus 1 upon 2. As the line passes through the origin, the intercept on the both axes is 0. X and y intercept is 0. Question number 2. Write each of the following equations in ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 form. Now y is equals to 2x minus 4. Therefore 2x minus y minus 4 equals to 0. It's very simple. Y is equals to 4, and again it is written as 0x plus y minus 4 equals to 0. X upon 2 plus y upon 4 is equals to 1. Multiply on both sides by the LCM of 2 and 4, and it is 4. Multiply on both sides by 4. Therefore, 4 in bracket x upon 2 plus y upon 4 is equals to 1 into 4. And that's if you simplify, then you will get 2x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0. This is the equation. Now next is x upon 3 minus y upon 2 equals to 0. Now make the cross multiplication and then you will get 2x minus 3y plus 0 is equals to 0. And this is in the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Next, show that the lines x minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0 and 2x minus 4y plus 15 is equals to 0 are parallel to each other. Now, the two given lines are parallel when they have the same slopes. Therefore, now see this here. We will find out the slope of the given lines and it is written. This is very important form. I always like this form. Y is equals to mx plus c. Therefore, it is written as 2y is equals to x minus 7 and therefore y is equals to 1 upon 2x minus 7 upon 2. Therefore, the coefficient of x is 1 upon 2 and the slope of the line m1 is equals to 1 upon 2. 2x minus 4y plus 15 is equals to 0 and therefore it is written as y is equals to 2 upon 4x plus 15 upon 4 and that is y is equals to 1 upon 2x plus 15 upon 4. Therefore, again the slope of the line m2 is equals to 1 upon 2 and hence the given lines are parallel. Next, question number 4. Show that lines x minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0 and x plus y plus 1, 2x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0 are perpendicular to each other. Now this is the, and find their point of intersection. Now when it is a property that the given lines are perpendicular to each other when the product of the slope is minus 1 and find their point of intersection. To find the point of intersection, solve these two lines simultaneously. Therefore, find the slope of the line x minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0 and 2x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. That is, it is written as like this. In the standard form, this is I always say that y is equals to mx plus c. That is y is equals to 1 upon 2x minus 7 by 2. The slope of the line is 1 upon 2. And the next is 2x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. The slope of the line y is equals to minus 2x minus 1 is. And it is written as y is equals to mx plus c. Therefore, the slope m2 is equals to minus 2. Now the product of the slope m1 into m2, that is 1 upon 2, m1 is 1 upon 2 and m2 is minus 2 and their product is minus 1 and hence the given lines are perpendicular to each other. Now next, to find out their point of intersection, as they are perpendicular to each other, they must intersect. To find out their point of intersection, we will solve these two lines by using simultaneous equation. Considering the simultaneous equation, now here is the equation x minus 2y is equals to 7. This is equation number 1 and 2x plus y is equals to minus 1. This is equation number 2. Multiply this equation number 2 by 4. Therefore, you will get that is a 4x plus 2y minus 2. This is equation number 3. Now equation number 1 plus 3 and that's why you will get that is a plus 2y and minus 2y get cancelled and hence 5x is equals to 5. Therefore, x is equals to 5 upon 5 and that is 1. X, the value of the x is 1. Put x is equals to 1 in the equation x minus 2y minus 7 is equals to 0. And that's why you will get the value of y. Now see this here, after simplification, that is y is equals to minus 6 upon 2, that is equals to minus 3, and hence the point of intersection of the given line is 1 minus 3. Number 5. If the line 3x plus 4y is equals to p makes a triangle of area 24 square unit with the coordinate axis, then find the value of v. Now see this here, actual picture. 3x plus 4y is equals to something is remaining. I will change it. That is equals to p. When the line touches the x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. Therefore, 3x plus 4 into 0 is equals to p. Therefore, x is equals to p upon 3. Now, when this line touches again the y-axis, put x is equals to 0. And that's why 3x plus 4y is equals to p. And therefore, that is y is equals to p upon 4. Therefore, we have the another point of intersection for the y-axis is 0, p by 4. Now, the area of the triangle OAB is equals to 1 upon 2 OA into OB. Now, see this here, OA into OB. This is a right angle triangle, and therefore, the area of the triangle, that's we know, that is a p upon 3 into p upon 4, that is equals to 24. And if you simplify this, you will get that is a p square is equals to 24 into 2 into 3 into 4, and that is equals to 24 square, and means p is equals to 20 plus or minus 24. This is the value of p. Now the next is question number 6. Find the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point minus 2, 3 to the line 3x minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now to find out the coordinate of the m, we will find equation of the am and solve these two equations. That is a 3x minus y minus 1 is equals to 0 and the equation of the am simultaneously. Then we will get the coordinate of m. Now let us start. For this, the line L is 3x minus y minus 1 is equals to 0 and the slope of the line 3x y is equals to 3x minus 1 is, it is of the form y is equals to mx plus c. Therefore, the value of m is equals to 3. Now, am is perpendicular to L. Therefore, the slope of am, AB is, it's minus 1 upon 3. Equation of am is, that is, we will apply the formula slope point form. That is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. And it is written as y minus 3 is equals to minus 1 upon 3 in bracket x minus in bracket minus 2. Therefore, in the simplified form, it is written as like this. X plus 3y minus 2 plus 9 and x plus 3y is equals to 7. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2 which we have given. Now solve these two equations simultaneously. Now multiply this equation number 2 by 3. Therefore, it will be the 9x minus 3y is equals to 3. Add these two equations 1 and 3. Therefore, you will get plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled. That is, therefore, x is equals to 1. Put x is equals to 1. In 3x minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. If we substitute x is equals to 1, 3 into 1 minus y minus 1. Therefore, 3 minus 1 minus y is equals to 0. Therefore, y is equals to 2. Hence, the coordinate of the foot of perpendicular are 1, 2. Question number 7. Find the coordinate of the circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are a minus 2, 3, b 6 minus 1, c 4 and 3. Now see this figure. Now to find out the circumcenter, that is, draw the perpendicular AB on AB and the BC. Find out their equations and solve that two equations simultaneously. Then you will get the circumcenter of the given triangle. Now see this here. Perpendicular MN. The circumcenter is a point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector of the sides AB and BC. M is midpoint of AB, that is minus 2 plus 6 upon 2. Next is 3 minus 1 upon 2. Next is 4 upon 2, 2 upon 2. That is a 2, 1. The point is 2, 1. N is midpoint of BC, that is 6 plus 4 upon 2, minus 1 plus 3 upon 2. That is N is equals to 5, 1. We have these 2 points. Now the slope of AB is minus 1 minus 3 upon 6 minus in bracket minus 2, that is minus 4 upon 6 plus 2, that is minus 4 upon 8, that is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Slope of AB and the slope of, that is, OM is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, the slope of OM is equals to reciprocal of that AB, and that is equals to the slope of OM is equals to 2. Now the equation of OM, the point is 2, 1 and the slope is 2. That is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. That is y minus 1 is equals to 2 in bracket x minus 2. That is equals to y minus 1 is equals to 2x minus 4. That is 2x minus y is equals to minus 1 plus 4. That is equals to 3. This is equation number 1. Now the slope of BC, that is, these are the points 6, -1, 4, 3. The slope means what? The difference of y coordinate upon difference of x coordinate. That is a 3 minus in bracket -1 upon 4 minus 6. That is 3 plus 1 upon -2, and that is equals to -2. Now the slope of ON is a reciprocal of minus and reciprocal of the slope of BC. That is equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore, the equation of ON, the phi 1 is a point and slope is 1 upon 2. The y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. Substitute the values. You will get this. Therefore, simplification. That is equals to, this is equation number 2. Now solve these two equations simultaneously. Multiply with equation number 1 by 2. Now see, here we are multiplying equation number 2. Then you will get that is a 2y. See this here. That is, this is 3. Equation 3 minus 2. Therefore, 4x minus 2y is equals to 6x minus 2y is equals to 3. If you add these two equations, 3x is equals to 3. Therefore, x is equals to 3 upon 3. That is equals to 1. Here we have the x is equals to 1. Put x is equals to 1 in the equation x minus 2y is equals to 3. Therefore, 1 minus 2y is equals to 3. Therefore, 2y is equals to 1. And that's why y is equals to minus 1. And hence the coordinates of the circumcenter 1 minus 1. Now the next is question number 8. Find the coordinates of the orthocenter of the triangle whose vertices are A 3 minus 2, B 7 6, C minus 1 2. Now see this here. The points are A 3 minus 2, B 7 6, C minus 1 2. Now the orthocenter is the point of intersection of the altitudes of the triangle. Therefore, we are taking the two altitudes here. AD is perpendicular to BC, B is perpendicular to AC. Point of intersection of the altitudes of the triangle. Now find the altitude AD, equation of the altitude. For that, the slope of the BC, that is a 2 minus 6 upon minus 1 minus 7, and you will get minus 4 upon minus 8, and that is equals to 1 upon 2. Now the slope of AD, that is a minus and reciprocal, that is a minus 1 upon 2, and that is equals to minus 2. Now the equation of AD, that is A is a 3 minus 2, M is minus 2, y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1, and that is y minus in bracket minus 2 is equals to minus 2 in bracket x minus 3. Therefore, y plus 2 is equals to minus 2x plus 6, and therefore 2x plus y is equals to 6 minus 2. That is equals to 4. This is the equation number 1. Now the equation of the B, AC, slope of the AC, 2 minus in bracket minus 2. Next is minus 1 minus 3, that is a 2 plus 2, 4 upon minus 4. Therefore, you will get the slope of AC is minus 1. Therefore, the slope of B is reciprocal of that minus 1 is equals to 1. And equation of the B, 7, 6, slope is 1. Y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. That is y minus 6 is equals to m in bracket x minus, that is 1, and simplify this. X minus y is equals to minus 6 plus 1, and that is equals to 1. X minus y is equals to 1. Now solve these two equations of the altitude simultaneously. If we add these two equations, then we will get, that is it. Therefore, x is equals to 5 upon 3. Put x is equals to 5 upon 3. X minus y is equals to 1. Therefore, 2 upon 3, y is equals to 2 upon 3. The coordinate of the orthocenter is 5 upon 3, 2 upon 3. Question number 9. Show that the lines 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equals to 0, 7x minus 8y plus 5 is equals to 0, and 4x plus 5y minus 45 is equals to 0 are concurrent. Find the point of their concurrence. Now, what is meant by the concurrence? Means all these lines intersect at a single point. That point is called the point of the concurrent. म्हणजे त्या लाईन्स सगळ्या एकाच पॉइंट मध्ये इंटरसेक्ट झाल्या पाहिजे असा त्याचा अर्थ. फर्स्ट द लाईन्स आर द concurrent means they intersect at a single point. Now see this, these are the three lines, they intersect, their equations. Second line, third line, these are the lines. Seven x minus 8y plus 5 is equals to 0. Now we'll solve these two equations. How to solve this? We'll take the any two equations, solve simultaneously, and whatever the solutions that we get, the value of the x and y, we'll substitute in the third equation, and if it's satisfied, then the given lines are the concurrence, and we can find out their point of concurrence. Now this is the first equation. Second equation. Now multiply second equation by 2. Then you will get 6x minus 8y minus 10. This is third equation. Now solve 1 and 3. That is 3 minus 1. 6x minus 8y minus 10. And this is subtraction. Then you will get minus x. Therefore x is equals to 5. Put x is equals to 5. In equation 1. Therefore, you will get y is equals to show that the lines are concurrent, that is 0.55 must be on the third line that we have given. This is the third line. That is the 4x plus 5y minus 45 is equals to 0. Substitute x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 5. Then we will get yes, it is satisfied. Therefore, the given lines are concurrent and their point of the concurrent lines and their point of concurrence is 5, 5. Now the next is question number 10. Find the equation of the lines whose x-intercept is 3 and which is perpendicular to the line 3x minus y plus 23 is equals to 0. Now, our required line intersect x-axis at 3, 0 and the line perpendicular to 3x minus y plus 23 is equals to 0. Therefore, the slope of the given line we write in the form y is equals to mx plus c. Therefore, the slope of the line is 3. Now, our line is perpendicular to this line. Therefore, the slope of the required line is a reciprocal of these 3. Minus and reciprocal. That is minus 1 upon 3. Therefore, the equation of the line passes through 3, 0 and m is equals to minus 1 upon 3. Therefore, its equation is y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. And that's why you will get this equation. Y minus 0 is equals to minus 1 upon 3 in bracket x minus 3. Therefore, 3y is equals to minus x plus 3. Therefore, x plus 3y minus 3 is equals to 0. This is our required line. X plus 3y minus 3 is equals to 0. Now the question number 11. Find the distance of the origin from the line 7x plus 24y minus 50 is equals to 0. To find the distance of px1 y1 from the line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, the formula is, this is important formula, that is the d is equals to ax1 plus by1 plus c upon in under root of a square plus b square, and that's why d is equals to 7 into 0 plus 24 into 0 minus 50 upon in under root of 7 square plus 24 square, and that is equals to minus 50 upon 49 plus 576, that is a 50 upon root of 625, and that is equals to 50 upon 25, that is equals to 2, and this d is equals to 2. Therefore, find the distance of the point minus 2, 3 from the line 12x minus 5y minus 13 is equals to 0 by the formula px1 y1 ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Therefore, d is equals to ax1 plus by1 plus c upon in under root of a square plus b square, and that's why you will get the point is minus 2, 3. 12x minus 5y minus 13 is equals to 0. That's a 12 into minus 2 minus 5 into 3 minus 12 minus 13 upon in under root of 12 square plus minus 5 in bracket square. Therefore, the distance is minus 24 minus 15 minus 13. That is 144 plus 25. Then you will get 52 upon root of 169. that is 13. Therefore D is equals to 4. D is equals to 4 units. Question number 13. Find the distance between the parallel lines 4x minus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0 and 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0. Now the equation of the parallel lines, these are the parallel lines. 4x minus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0, 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0. Here the C1 is equals to 5, C2 is equals to 7, A is equals to 4, B is equals to minus 3. Therefore, by the formula, D is equals to in mod of C1 minus C2 in under root of A square plus B square, and that is equals to 5 minus 7 upon in under root of 4 square minus plus in bracket minus 3 bracket square, and that is equals to minus 2 upon in under root of 16 plus 9, and that is equals to 2 upon 5. Therefore, this distance is 2 upon 5 unit. This is the distance between the two parallel lines. Question number 14. Find the distance between parallel lines 9x plus 6y minus 7 is equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0. Now these two lines are parallel. Yes, it is clear. Now this is the A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. If you see this, A1 upon A2, that is a 9 upon 3, that is equals to 2. B1 upon B2, 6 upon 2, that is also 3. It means that these two lines are parallel. Therefore, see this again here. The given lines are parallel, but we require the same equation. Therefore, the equation will multiply the equation 2 by 2, second by 2. Coefficients are not equal. Therefore, we will multiply the equation, second equation by 2 by 3. Therefore, you will get 3 in bracket 3x plus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0. That is a 9x plus 6y plus 18 is equals to 0. 9x plus 6y is equals to 0 and 9x plus 6y plus 18 is equals to 0. Therefore, C1 is minus 7, C2 is 18. Therefore, A is 9, B is 6. This distance is equals to in mod of C1 minus C2 in under root of A square plus B square. Substitute their values. That is in mod of minus 7 minus 18 upon in root of x square, and that is equals to 25 upon in root of 117. That can be split up like the 13 into 9, and that is equals to 25 upon 3 root of 13. Therefore, this distance is equals to 25 3 root of 30 units. Now the 15. Find the distance of the line x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0. Find the point on the line x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0 whose distance from the line 4x plus 3y is equal to 10 is 1. Find the point on the line x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0 whose distance from this line is 1. Now see this here. That is the problem we have changed here. This is in the textbook. It's one correct one. Now PAB be the point on the line, that is x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore a plus b is equals to 4. Therefore now the distance of PAB from the line 4x plus 3y minus 10 is equals to 0 is 1. Therefore d is equals to, that is a 4a plus 3b minus 10 upon in under root of 4 square plus 3 square, and that's why that is equals to 1. And if we solve this, that is in mod of 4a plus 3b minus 10 upon inner root of 25, that is equals to 1. 4a plus 3b minus 10 upon 5, that is a 4a plus 3b minus 10 upon 5 plus or minus 1. 4a plus 3b minus 10 plus or minus 5. It is written as like this. Once you take plus and another is a minus, 4a plus 3b is equals to minus 15. 4a plus 3b is equals to plus 5. These are the two equations. 4a plus 3b is equals to minus 15. This is the number 2. 4a plus 3b is equals to 5. This is, now solve these two equations. Solve the equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. A plus b is equals to 4. And we have the two equations 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 1 and 3. This is we are taking the 4a plus 3b is equals to 15. We solve these two equations. We will get the point. Multiplied with 3, 3a plus 3b is equals to 12. This is 12. Equation 2 minus 3, their subtractions. 4a plus 3b is equals to 15, and that is 4a plus 3b plus is 4a plus 3b is equals to 15. 3a plus 3b is equals to 12. Take their subtraction. Therefore, you will get a is equals to 3. In equation 1, therefore a plus b is equals to 4, and that is a plus b is equals to 4 minus 3. Therefore b is equals to 1. The point is 3, 1. Solve one and 3. Now to solve the equation 1 and 3. A plus b is equals to 4, and next is 4a plus 3b is equals to 5. Multiplied equation number 1 by 3. 3a plus 3b is equals to 12. Therefore equation 4 minus 3. 3a plus 3b is equals to 12. And 4 minus 3. Therefore you will get minus a is equals to 7. Therefore a is equals to minus 7. The point minus a is equals to minus 7. A plus b is equals to 4. Therefore b is equals to minus 7 plus b is equals to 4. Therefore b is equals to 4 plus 7, that is equals to 11. Point is minus 7, 11. The required point is 3. Now see this again. Therefore the required point is these are the required points. Now the next is question number 16. Find the equation of the line parallel to the x-axis and passing through the point of intersection of the lines x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0 and 4x plus 3y is equals to 10. For that, we will find out the point of intersection of these two lines. Therefore, the first we will find out the point of intersection of x plus y is equals to 2. That x plus y is equals to 2. This is equation number 1. 4x plus 3y is equals to 10. This is equation number 2. Now to solve this equation, multiply equation number 1 by 3. Therefore, you will get 3x plus 3y is equals to 6. This is equation number 3. And 4x, therefore, in 2 minus 3. Then you will get 4x plus 3y equals to 10. 3x plus 3y equals to 6. Now make their subtraction. Therefore, x is equals to 4. Put x is equals to 4 in the equation 1 plus y is equals to 2. 4 plus y is equals to 2. Therefore, y is equals to 2 minus 4. And that's why y is equals to minus 2. Now the point is 4 minus 2. Now see this again figure. We have the point 4 minus 2. It is in the fourth quadrant. Now the given line is parallel to x-axis. Therefore, its equation is equals to y is equals to, and the required line is passes point 4 minus 2 and it is a parallel to x-axis and its equation is y is equals to minus 2. That is, it intersects. It is a parallel to x-axis. Therefore, its equation y is equals to minus 2. Now the next is y plus 2 is equals to 0. This is a required line. Question number 70. Find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of the lines, that is x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. Taking the intercept 3 on the x-axis. Now see this here. Now first we will find out the point of intersection of the given two lines, x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. X plus y is equals to 2. This is equation number 1. 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 4. This is equation number 2. Multiply equation number 1 by 3. Then you will get 3x plus 3y is equals to 6. Now, so this is equation number 3. Equation number 2. Now add these two equations. That is a plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled. You will get 5x is equals to 2. Therefore, x is equals to 2 upon 5. Put x is equals to 2 upon 5 in equation 1. X plus y is equals to 2. Therefore, 2 by 5 plus y is equals to 2. Therefore, y is equals to 2 minus 2 upon 5. That is equals to y is equals to 10 minus 2 upon 5, which is 8 upon 5. Therefore, the required Point of intersection is 2 upon 5 and 8 upon 5. Also, our required lines making x-intercept 3. Therefore, the point of intersection with the x-axis is 3, 0. A is 2 by 5, 8 by 5. Therefore, the slope of AB is 8 by 5 minus 0, 2 by 5 minus 3. Now, simplify this. 8 by 5 upon minus 13 by 5. 5 get cancelled. Minus 8 upon 13. This is the slope. Equation of the lines M is equals to minus 8 upon 13. That is the B is a 3, 0. Therefore, the Y minus Y1 is equals to minus 8 upon 13 in bracket X minus X1. That is Y minus 0 is equals to minus 8 upon 13 in bracket X minus 3. Therefore, if we simplify this, that is the 13, Y is equals to minus 8x plus 24. Therefore, 8x plus 13y minus 24 is equals to 0. This is the required line. Now we'll see again. X plus 13y minus 24 is equals to 0. This is the required line. Now next, problem number 18. If A 4, 3, B 0, 0 and C 2, 3 are the vertices of triangle ABC, then find the equation of the bisector of angle BAC. Now see this here. To find out the equation of the bisector of angle BAC, now this is the triangle ABC, the first bisector. AD is the first bisector of the angle BAC. This is the bisector, and we want to find out the bisector, which is the AD. Now by using the angle bisector theorem, angle bisector, that is a AB BD upon DC is equals to BD upon DC is equals to AB upon AC. We'll find out the values of AB and AC by using the distance formula that you have learned in the 10th standard. That is the point D divides the ratio AB upon AC. AB is equals to in root of 4 minus 0 bracket square plus 3 minus 0 bracket square. That is 4 square plus 3 square plus, that is equals to 16 plus 9 root of 25. AB is equals to 5. Therefore, AC is equals to in root of 4 3 C 2 3, that is a 4 minus 2 bracket square plus 3 minus 3 bracket square is equals to in root of 2 square plus 0 square, that is a 4, that is equals to 2. AC is equals to 2. Therefore, the point D divides BC in the ratio 5:2. Therefore, now see this here by the section formula x1, y1, x2, y2. I had written there the point x1, y1, x2, y2. And now by using the section formula, that is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Therefore, you m has to n, this is the ratio, 5 into 2 plus 2 into 0 upon 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. Therefore, you will get 10 upon 7, 15 upon 7. This is the point D. Now next is, that is A, that is a 4, 3, and the point D, whose coordinate is 10 upon 7, 15 upon 7. Now to find out the slope, that is 15 upon 7 minus 3 upon 10 upon 7 minus 4. And if we simplify this, that is a 15 minus 21 whole divided by 7. And also to the denominator, that is a 10 minus 28 upon 7. Therefore, you will get minus 6 upon minus 18, that is equals to 1 upon 3. The slope of the line m is equals to 1 upon 3. Now the equation of AD by slope point form, that is A is 4, 3, m is 1 upon 3, y minus y1 is equals to m in bracket x minus x1. That is y minus 3 is equals to 1 upon 3 in bracket x minus 4. And if we simplify, 3y minus 9 is equals to x minus 4. Therefore, x minus 3y minus 4 plus 9 is equals to 0. X minus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore, the required equation of the bisector is x minus 3y plus 5 is equals to 0. See this again. Now next, question number 19. D minus 1 8, E 4 minus 2 and F minus 5 minus 3 are the midpoints of the side BC, CA and AB of triangle ABC. Find first equation of the sides of triangle ABC, second coordinate of the circumcenter of triangle ABC. Now see this here, A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3. They have their midpoints, D minus 1, 8, E 4 minus 2, F minus 5 minus 3. Now x1 plus x2 upon 2 is equals to minus 5. y1 plus y2 upon 2 is equals to minus 3. Therefore, x1 plus x2 is equals to minus 10 and y1 plus y2 is equals to minus 6. Therefore, this is the first. About the D, minus 1 and 8 is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, minus 1 is equals to x2 plus x3 upon 2. 8 is equals to y2 plus y3 upon 2. Therefore, x2 plus x3 is equals to minus 2. y2 plus y3 is equals to 16. Now for AC, E is a midpoint, which is a 4 minus 2. And therefore, x1 plus x3 upon 2 is equals to 4. y1 plus y3 upon 2 is equals to minus 2. That is equals to 8. y1 plus y3 is equals to minus 4. Therefore, if we add all these equations, that is x1 plus x2, is equal minus 10, x2 plus x3 minus 2, x1 plus x3 8. Take the 2 as common. Then you will get x is equals to minus 2. x1 plus x3 is equals to minus 2. That is minus 10 plus x3 is equals to minus 2. Therefore, x3 is equals to minus 2 plus 10. That is equals to 8. x3 is 8. x1 plus x3 is equals to 8. That is x1 plus 8 is equals to 8. x1 is equals to 8 minus 8. That is equals to 0. x1 plus x2 is equals to minus 10. We'll get all the points. Therefore, x1 is 0, x2 is minus 10 and x3 is 8. These are the points. Similarly, we can find out y1, y2, y3. Now, see this here. y1 plus y2 is minus 6. I'm taking these equations. y2 plus y3 is equals to 16. y1 plus y3 is equals to minus 4. If you add these equations, then you will get 2 times y1, 2 times y2, 2 times y3. That is equals to 6. Therefore, y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equals to 6. That is 6 upon 2 is equals to 3. Therefore, y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equals to 3. If we substitute their values, y1 plus y2 is minus 6 plus y3 is equals to 3. Therefore, y3 is equals to 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. y2 plus y3 is equals to 16. y2 plus 9 is equals to 16. Therefore, y2 is equals to 16 minus 9. That is equals to 7. Again, y1 plus y2 is equals to minus 6. That y1 plus 7 is equals to minus 6. Therefore, y1 is equals to minus 6 minus 7. And that is equals to minus 13. x1, y1 whose coordinate is 0, minus 13. For the b, x2, y2 whose coordinate is minus 10, 7. And x3, y3 the coordinate is 8, 9. Therefore, again the points are A, B. These are the points. A is 0, minus 13. B is minus 10, 7. C is 8, 9. The equation of AB is y minus y1 is equals to y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2 in bracket x minus x1. This is that is we find out the slope of the AB, and by using the slope point form, we substitute it, then you will get y minus in bracket minus 13 is equals to minus 13 minus 7 upon 0 minus in bracket minus 10 is equal into x minus 0. Now we'll simplify this. Y plus 13 minus 20 upon 10 in bracket x minus 0. Therefore, you will get 2x plus y plus 13 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the AB. Now the BC. Minus 10, 7. C is 8, 9. Now again find out the slope of this BC, that is y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2, and again apply the slope point form, that is y minus y1 is equals to, this is the slope in bracket x minus x1. And therefore y minus 7 is equals to 7 minus 9 upon minus 10 minus 8 in bracket x minus in bracket minus 10, and therefore y minus 7 is equals to minus 2 upon minus 18 in bracket x plus 10. Therefore y minus 7 is equals to 1 upon 9 in bracket x plus 10. That is 9x minus 63 is equals to x plus 10. X minus 9 plus 10 plus 63 is equals to 0, and hence x minus 9 plus 73 is equals to 0. This is the equation of the BC. Now the equation of AC. A is 0 minus 13. C is 8, 9. Y minus y1 is equals to y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2 in bracket x minus x1. That is, this is general formula I am writing here. Now again substitute their values. That is y minus in bracket minus 13 minus 13. Here we will take x1 y1 x2 y2. That is minus 13 minus 9 upon 0 minus 8 in bracket x minus 0. And therefore you will get x, y plus 13 is equals to minus 22 upon minus 8 in bracket x minus 0. Therefore y plus 13 is equals to 11 upon 4 in bracket x minus 0. And that's why 4y plus 52 is equals to 11x. 11x minus 4y minus 52 is equals to 0. This is the equation of AC, and hence these are the A, B, A, or the review of this problem. Now the next is also big problem, that is to find out the circumcenter. Have this midpoint and find out this equation of the FO, equation of the DO, and find their point of intersection. Then you will get the coordinate of the point O. That is AB. Slope of the AB is minus 13 minus 7 upon 0 minus in bracket minus 10 minus 20 upon 10, that is equals to minus 2. M is equals to minus 2. Therefore the equation of FO, that is the slope of FO, is minus 1 upon M, that is 1 upon 2. F is minus 5 minus 3. M is 2. That is 8x plus 2y minus 2. Now solve these two equations. Therefore x is equals to minus 1 upon 19. X is minus 1 upon 19. x minus 2y is equals to 1. Therefore, y is equals to minus 10 upon 19. The coordinates of the circumcenter of triangle ABC in bracket minus 1 upon 19 minus 10 upon 19. Now the last problem, O00, A60 and B08 are the vertices of triangle. Find the coordinates of the incenter of triangle OAB. Now see this x-axis, y-axis. 0, A is 60, B is 08. To find out the incenter, we required the angle bisector. Therefore, we are considering the angle bisector as OBA, and second bisector is BOA. OD is the angle bisector and OC is the another angle bisector, and find out their equations and the. Now from figure, OA is equals to 6, OB is equals to 8. Therefore, AB is equals to, by using the Pythagoras, 8 square plus 6 square. That is 64 plus 36, that is the root of 100. AB is equals to 10. Therefore, the point T that is OD is the angle bisector of angle BOC. Sorry, by mistake it is written as a BOC, but it is a AOB. Therefore, by the angle bisector theorem, OA upon OB is equals to DA upon BD. This is important. But what is the value of OA? OA is equals to 6 and OB is equals to 8. That is equals to 3 upon 4. Therefore, by mistake it is a AOB. Okay. Therefore, now see this here. We take here M is equals to 3. N is equals to 4. Now see this here. I had written separately here in figure A, D, and this is the B. We have these 2 points, and AD also and DB also. Therefore, 3, 4. We find out the coordinate of the point D by using the section formula. Now this is the figure. Three into 0 plus 4 into 6 upon 3 plus 4. 3 into 8 plus 4 into 0. 3 upon 3 plus 4. That is a 24 upon 7. 24 upon 7. This is the coordinate of the point D. Equation of OD. That is a 24 upon 7 minus 0. That is the slope of the OD. O is the origin. The difference of y coordinate upon difference of x coordinate. 24 upon 7 minus 0. 24 upon 7 minus 0, and that is equals to 1. The slope of OD is 1. y is equals to mx, which passes through the origin. X minus y is equals to 0. Equation of, that is again OC upon CA is equals to OB upon A. The problem is big, and that is equals to 8 upon 10. That is equals to 4 upon 5. Therefore, this is the opening. OCA 4 and 5. These are the ratios. 4 into 6 plus 0. 4 plus 5. Next is 4 into 0 plus 0 upon 4 plus 5. That is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. And in this way, c is 24 upon 9 and 0. That is 8 upon 3, 0. This is the coordinate of the point C. Now we have these 2 points. The B is 0, 8 and C is 8 upon 3, 0. B is 0, 8 and C is 8 upon 3, 0. Therefore, the slope of BC is equals to difference of y coordinate upon difference of x coordinate. 8 minus 0 upon 0 minus 8 upon 3. And that is equals to 3. The slope of BC is equals to minus 3. Equation of BC is equals to 0, 8. That is the B is 0, 8 and M is equals to minus 3. And equation is y minus y1 is equals to M in bracket x minus x1. Substitute. Y minus 8 is equals to minus 3 in bracket x minus 0. Therefore, 3x plus y is equals to 8. This is equation number 2. Now solve these equations simultaneously. We solve this equation, add this equation, plus y minus y get cancelled. 4x is equals to 8. Therefore, x is equals to 2. As x is equals to 2, then y is also 2. Therefore, the x minus, therefore y is equals to 2. And hence, the coordinate of the incenter is 2, 2. And in this way, we have completed the chapter straight line, exercise 5.4. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.